Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to put this laptop on a lock screen. So the easiest way to do this is by opening the Start menu, then going into Power Options and selecting Lock. After you select the lock option, your device will go on a lock screen. Now, alternatively, you can use a shortcut of Windows button plus L button. So if you select Windows and L at the same time, you will also put your device on a lock screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.